Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a brand new little project with you all. So this I'm calling my Zig Zag Poster Fold or Zig Zag Fold Poster. It doesn't matter. The tutorial link will be down below. Just click on it and you will find this. So this is a super duper cool fold, and I teach you how to make it step by step by step by step. I can do this all day long. All right, so this is my beautiful little girl Faith, and I have 32 pictures of my darling little girl Faith here in this one super cool fold, guys. I love this. Ask me where I got this idea from, because no, I did not invent this. As much as I would like to say yes, I just pulled this out of my back pocket, no. This is a fold that was done for solar panels. Yes, I said it, solar panels. So, I don't know, they were trying to figure out how to get solar panels up in space. So they needed to fold them down to the smallest bit possible and open them in one swoop, right, with minimal room for error. So some genius Japanese astrophysicist, I don't know what his title is, developed this fold for the solar panels to travel up to space and do whoop. But guess what? Everything usually starts off on paper, right? So guess what I did? I applied this to scrapbooking, memory keeping, and I came up with this fabulous little number. And here it is, guys. I hope you love it. Zig Zag Fold tutorial and tutorial video combo is available for you all in my shop right now. Super duper fun. I know you all are going to want to make this. Yes, you can put photos on the back if you want. I'm doing pattern paper, all right? But if you want to do photos, absolutely, you can do photos front and back. You can get 64 photos if you do front and back. And you know, if you decide to do some bits of pattern paper and embellishments, then obviously your photo count reduces. But seriously, guys, how amazing is this? You're gonna make it and do this all day with it. Take it with you in your purse, show it off, and do this all day with it. That's how fabulous it is. I hope you love it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Oh, pause. One quick thing. For those of you who picked up Project 65, Quarter 4, this is in there. So do not pick up the tutorial for this if you're in Project 365 Quarter 4, because this is in there for you guys. It's a part of the whole thing. If you guys are uninterested in the hybrid folios for Project 365 and you just want this, then you can pick up the tutorial for it alone. All right. So if you do not have Project 365 Quarter 4 specifically, then you want to pick it up. If you have it, it's in there, my friends, and it's all yours. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.